Hey guys, it's your girl Hunty, it's your girl Hunter, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be reviewing a wig that LUVME Hair sent me over. It's time. I have not done a hair review or an unboxing in a really long time on my YouTube, but we're getting back into it, so stay tuned. So we're just gonna do the unboxing. I'm just gonna show you guys the way everything looks. I was so excited when I got this in the mail today because I was like, yes, it's time. But we're just gonna do a little unboxing. So here's the unit. Again, all the information into this hair is gonna be linked down below, but this is a perfect glueless protective hairstyle. So I'm excited because I normally glue down my wigs, but I'm excited to try out a glueless unit because it just makes life so much more easier. So let's get into it. So this is the hair. Ooh, look at those curls. So this is the hair. It's all packaged very nicely. These curls, girl, they're looking like they curling. But the rest of the box, it comes with like this mesh kind of bag. So like you can, when you're done wearing your wigs or when you store them away, you can have somewhere to put them, which is very nice. And then always comes with a nice little message. It says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. And then my favorite part is the goodies, because if you're like me, I love goodies. But in here, it just comes with kind of like a scarf thing to like wrap your hair down. If you you're going to sleep or you want to lay your edges down, whatever. It comes with an edge brush. You can never have too many edge brushes, okay? And then it also comes with this. Oh, this is really cute. It comes with this, it's like lavender, but it's like a little card holder. That's really cute. Hang on. I know this is not part of the, oh, and it comes with a mirror. Oh, this is fancy. I like that. So maybe it's not a card holder, it's for your mirror. I like it. You can get nice up and close, okay? And I love this bag. Okay, so one of my favorite parts is actually taking the hair out of the packaging. I just want you guys to see how the hair comes. So I'm just gonna take off this and take this out. So I'm gonna show you guys the lace, kind of like what the front is looking like. And then it comes with an elastic band, which is really nice, especially if you're doing a glueless unit, which is what we're doing. An elastic band is perfect because you want your stuff to be nice and secure. But it also comes with some clips as well over here. So, and right there, your unit is going to be very nice and secure. And it also comes with a clip in the back, but this is just the curls. Just showing you guys what the hair looks like before I put it on. It's very soft. This is very soft. Very soft. The curls look really cute. I can't wait to brush them out. But yes, just wanted to show you guys the hair fresh out of the box. Goodness, guys, I'm so excited. Like, y'all really popped off with this. What? First of all, let's get into this pre-plucked hairline. It looks so natural. Like, this might be the best, one of the best pre-plucked hairlines I've ever received or I've ever gotten. Like, this is really good. This is really good. So I just want to show you guys the hairline again, just how natural it looks. And when they say pre-plucked, in my opinion, this is giving pre-plucked. This is giving pre-plucked, okay? Like, this is perfect because literally, since this is a glueless unit, all you have to do is just cut the lace. This is perfect. You're going to save so much time, and this is so beginner friendly. It just makes life 1,000 times easier. But I do want to emphasize on how soft this hair is. I love how well they already curled the hair. Like, girl, it looks like I just got out the beauty shop. I just got my hair done. But yes, I'm in love with this. It fits very secure. I did not have to adjust anything. I just plopped it on. The elastic band, like everything is fitting very snug, so that's perfect with the glueless unit, because I know glueless units, people get nervous about, oh my goodness, my hair, like, is it gonna stay on? This is staying on. This is not going anywhere. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys again. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can get like a 360 of what this is looking like. This is it without, you know, before I you know, comb through the curls or anything. Just want to show you guys what it's naturally giving before we go in and cut the lace. So I'm gonna end up going back in with scissors just to kind of clean up what I've already done, but this is just to give you guys kind of a gist of what it's looking like. Alright guys, so all the lace is cut off. Just want to show you guys what it's looking like. It's looking very natural, honey. Like, I'm just very impressed and in awe by this pre-plucked hairline. Like, you know, sometimes they say pre-plucked, you get it, you still have to pluck it. This is not giving that. This is giving like minimal effort. Like, I don't have to do anything. This is the quickest install I've ever done. But now we're gonna get into the fun part. We're going to brush these curls out. They're so bouncy. Like, I'm in love with these curls. But we're gonna brush these curls out and then see what we're working with. So first, I just wanted to finger brush them just to kind of show you guys the progression. This is just me finger brushing them so you can really see how this hair is naturally just transforming. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. So this is just what the hair is looking like once I've finger brushed them. I'm gonna shake, 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 let you guys kind of see what this hair is looking like. Brush it out in the back. Cool. Cute. Super, super cute. Now I'm gonna get my actual brush and kind of brush them so we can kind of see what the hair looks like when you get a brush to it. But this is just it finger combed, which is super cute too. It looks very natural. This looks very much like my hair. But I just want to show you guys, like, it's glueless. Like, look at that. Glueless. Honey, glue where? Lace where? It's not there. It's not there. All right guys, I'm just, like I said, this pre-plucked, the knots are bleached, like, it's just looking amazing. But I'm gonna go in now with like a brush and we're just gonna brush through the curls just so you guys can kind of see what it's giving once you kind of like brush it through with like a comb kind of a brush. You can kind of play with it. It's really giving like super bouncy, which is what I love. I love a good like bouncy curl. And you can just play with it. But this is really giving like, just got out the salon, just got my hair blow dried and pressed. It's giving silk press without going. But just gonna show you guys what the curls are looking like in the back again. Just to show you guys again, this is glueless. Like, let me glueless, honey. Glueless. Okay, glueless. Like, very natural. It is giving. But yeah guys, this is the final look. I am so satisfied. I really like this hair. I think it's really pretty. It looks very natural. It looks like my own hair. The length and everything is perfect. The curls are beautiful. Like, it just looks very good. Overall, I'm very satisfied. 10 out of 10. Like, I really like this wig. Again, all the details and the direct link and everything will be linked down below, so you guys can get your hands on this unit as well. And like always, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. If you guys want to be more connected with me, make sure you guys check out my other social media links that will be linked down below. My TikTok, my Instagram. I post a lot more on there as well. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. And they snapped. They did what they had to do. They did what they had to do. Thank you so much, LUVME hair. I'm definitely in love with my hair, okay? Like, what? Yes, it's giving everything that it needs to give. But I will see you guys next time in my next video. Thanks for tuning in.